Here are some other things that is preventing us from getting rich day by day. We live paycheck to paycheck and we don't think about the future. I can't think about the future because I don't have anything to think about. When my salary increase, then I'm going to be thinking about the future. No, you need to think about the future today. Live moderately, save, make realistic goals. One of them should be financial stability and save for the future. You always have to be thinking moderately. $1 makes $2. The power of compounded interest is what's going to get you where you want to go. You always want to be thinking about the right mindset when it comes to being financially stable and not thinking that you can't do something. Having the positive mindset, making those goals, you want to do that. Staying away from all credit cards. That's the views of many people who are trying to live extremely frugal or extremely cheap. If you stay away from all credit cards, I don't know how you're living in today's society, because not even on the plane they take cash. So more and more you have to understand how to live within your means. And if you live within your means, you have so many apps on these credit cards that will tell you how much you're spending. I personally pay my credit cards off every week, and I travel specifically on the points I have on my credit card. So if you use your credit card wisely and you pay it off, not thinking it's an extension of your cash, but it is your cash, you're paying it wisely, then you're going to be able to make money from your credit cards. Make sure that you are following. One of the things that we don't believe that finance is something we can track. You don't need to have a finance degree to track your finance. Financial wellness is part of your overall wellness. The health of your financial stability, your financial world is just as important as the things that you eat that affects your body. So you need to be conscious financially. You need to be paying attention to what's happening with your world financially, because if you don't, you're gonna get sick. Not only are you gonna be in the poorhouse if you're not thinking of what you're doing, and you're always gonna be broke, your mindset is not gonna be in the right place, and you're always gonna believe what it is that you're thinking about. You believe what you tell yourself. Stop lying to yourself. You don't need billions and millions and trillions of dollars to be able to think for the future. You think for the future $1 at a time. You invest in the right things, and eventually I'm living proof that every dollar counts. And if you put it in the right place, if you're investing in the right thing, then you're doing good. The days of getting one good job is long gone. This is a myth. We are always thinking of different income streams that we should be thinking about that to make the world. So you don't have to make your world. So yes, having a 9-to-5 is really important, but you need to be thinking about other ways that you can invest that 9-to-5 money to make money for you. So you make $10 at your job, or you make $100 at your job, you want to be able to take a portion of that that's going to be put aside to continue to make money for you. So that's how you do it. You don't want to have all these outdated ways of thinking where you are ignoring your finances day to day. You want to be able to keep up with the changing times, and you want to be able to invest in the world that we have today. You want to be able to think wisely.
Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.